WinDispute AI is a brand new software that's changing the way people handle disputes. In this review, I'm going to go over 7 crucial things you need to know about it, whether you're new to AI tools or just curious if it's the right fit for your needs. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing some valuable insights that can make all the difference in your decision. First up, what makes WinDispute AI stand out? The software is designed to help individuals and businesses resolve disputes faster by using cutting-edge AI to analyze your case, identify potential weaknesses, and suggest the best ways to handle any conflict. It's like having a legal expert by your side 24/7. But is it really as good as they say? Let's dive into the specifics. One of the first things you'll notice is the software's ease of use. You don't need to be a tech genius to navigate it. The interface is clean, intuitive, and made with everyday users in mind. You can quickly input all the necessary information, and within minutes, the AI starts working its magic. It's designed for fast-paced environments, so if you're in a rush, it won't slow you down. Now, let's talk about its accuracy. When it comes to disputes, getting the facts right is crucial. WinDispute AI uses advanced algorithms to comb through your case details and compare them to thousands of similar disputes. It looks for patterns, inconsistencies, and even predicts the likely outcome based on historical data. This kind of insight is something most traditional dispute resolution processes can't provide. Another key feature is the software's ability to generate custom responses. Instead of just offering generic advice, WinDispute AI gives you tailored suggestions that match your specific situation. Whether you're dealing with customer complaints, contractual issues, or even legal disputes, the software helps you craft responses that increase your chances of success. A big selling point for this AI software is how quickly it works. While traditional dispute resolution can take weeks or even months, WinDispute AI speeds up the entire process. You don't have to wait for a human lawyer to look over your case, which can often lead to delays. With this AI, the turnaround is much quicker, helping you resolve issues faster and get back to your day. You might be wondering about security. After all, you're putting a lot of sensitive information into this software. WinDispute AI uses top-tier encryption to keep your data safe. They prioritize privacy and make sure that your personal and legal details are protected from start to finish. It's as secure as anything you'll find in traditional legal systems, if not more. One downside worth mentioning is that the software doesn't handle every type of dispute. While it excels at many areas, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to understand that it's most effective in certain scenarios like consumer rights, contract disputes, and smaller legal matters. If you're dealing with something complex or criminal, you might still need professional legal assistance. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The good news is you can try WinDispute AI for free, and I've got the link in the description below. After using it for a while, if you feel like it's the right fit, you can upgrade to access more features. But for now, you can test it out and see how it works for you. To wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable, fast, and secure way to resolve disputes, WinDispute AI is definitely worth considering. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that this is one of the more promising options. Check out the link in the description to try it for free and see for yourself. As always, I've got a list of my recommended AI tools in the description as well, so don't forget to check them out. You'll find some of the best software out there after putting them through rigorous testing.